Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to PMDC online lecture room. Today we are going to discuss a topic from third chapter of first year textbook, that is effect of bonding on physical and chemical properties. The different type of bonding in a substances are responsible for the property of substances. Physical properties are mainly depend on the van der Waals forces, which is intermolecular forces, while the chemical properties depend on the strength of intramolecular forces. The first property is solubility of both ionic and covalent compound. Students, you might know that like dissolve like. Ionic compounds are polar, so they are soluble in polar solvent like water, which have poles. Ionic compounds have cation positive charge and anion negative charge. Like NaCl, cation is sodium and anion is chloride. When ionic compound is dissolved in water, the electrostatic attraction of water molecule separate cation and anion from ionic compound, and as a result ionic compound is dissolved in water, which is a polar solvent. Similarly, non-polar solvent dissolve in non-polar solute like benzene do not dissolve in polar compound due to negligible attraction between solute and solvent molecule. Next one is reaction of ionic compounds. As ionic compounds are very tightly bonded together, so they mostly react when we dissolve ionic compound in water and do not react in solid state. The reaction between ionic compound is very fast because when two ionic compounds are mixed together, the positive charges attract each other, and as a result the product form rapidly. So no bond breaking is involved, only new bonds are formed. For example, an ionic compound silver nitrate reacts with another ionic compound sodium chloride, and a product silver chloride is formed in milliseconds because the reaction between ionic compound is fast. Reaction of covalent compounds. As we know that breaking of old bond and formation of new bond need time. In covalent compound, the reaction involves breaking and formation of bond. Therefore, the reaction of covalent compound are slow reactions. Directional and non-directional nature of ionic and covalent bond. Ionic bonds are non-directional. The reason is the opposite charges attract each other from all sides. But covalent compound are directional because in covalent bond formation there is overlapping of atomic orbital which have definite direction. That is why covalent molecules have definite geometry, and because atomic orbital overlap each other only when they are in proper direction, which gives shape to the atom in molecule. Molecular solids are made up of molecules. For example, ice, sugar, iodine, etc. The melting point of molecular solid or substances consist of larger non-polar molecule all high. Molecular solid with permanent dipole moment melt at still higher temperature. Network solid. Unlike the intramolecular covalent bond, that hold atoms together in separate molecule, it is possible for atom to bond covalently into continuous 2 or 3 dimensional array called network solid. A large range of property can be found among the network solid. Diamond and graphite are their examples. In diamond, each carbon atom forms 4 single covalent bonds to 4 other carbon atoms. The 4 carbon atoms are in turn covalently bonded to 4 other carbon atoms, and so on. This bonding exists throughout the entire crystal. When all the atoms in crystal are covalently bonded to one another throughout the whole crystal, the solids are termed as network solid. Metallic solid. Metallic solids are made up of metal atoms, for example, copper, aluminum, iron. Metals are composed of closely packed center of metallic cation within delocalized mobile valence electron. The metallic bond is formed of the forces of attraction between positively charged cation and the pull of valence electron that move among them. Assignment. Here is assignment for you. You have to complete this assignment. Thank you.